When everyone is talking about Google's Gemini 3 Pro launch release, Google has also launched a revolutionary product, which is their own IDE, which they call it AntiGravity. So this is quite similar to Cursor, but it comes with a lot of amazing features that even Cursor doesn't have. So to put it as an example, we can literally screenshot a particular place on the website that you are building, and you can ask AntiGravity to change this particular part by giving a prompt. So this is quite similar to using the generative fill feature in Photoshop, but for development of websites. And apart from this, I also said in the video that multiple agents can work parallelly on their tasks. So let's see how we can download and use it in this video. So here is the official tweet, and if we scroll down, we are having the link to download, and it is available for Mac, Windows and Linux. That's great. So now just Google AntiGravity. We'll be getting the first link. Select this, and if you want to read more about this is the official blog. If you want, you can just give a read of all the features that they are having. So let's just go back, and here we are having the download option, and we are having for Mac different variants. For Windows also we are having for the different variants, and for Linux also. So I'll just go with Windows, and once the download is complete, just open it. It is around 150 MB in size, and click on I accept and next, and this is going to be the default location. If you want to change it, you can change it. Next again, and these are fine, and check this for a desktop icon, and you can even like add these. Click on next, and just check all the stuff and click on install. Once the installation is complete, just check this and click on finish. So we are getting the setup. Just click on next, and if you want to like import any settings from VS Code, you can do it. I will just go with start fresh and next, and let me go with the dark theme next. And we are getting some options. How do you want to use the AntiGravity agent? So I'll just go with the default one and click on next, and everything is fine. It says install 7 extensions. Yep, I'm fine with that. Next, and we need to sign in with your Google account to access it. So just click and sign in, and just click on next, and that's it. We have got the interface over here. I think it's basically a fork on Visual Studio Code. Like the interface looks exactly the same, and we are having the browser preview. Yeah, and this is the place where we will be like typing and asking. So at the moment we are having Gemini 3 Pro low, high, Sonnet 4.5, and it's also having the GPT OSS. If you remember, this was the open source model launched by OpenAI. That's interesting. So I have just opened an empty folder over here, and here we are having two main agentic modes. One is switch to agent manager, and another one is code with agent. So I will just click on the keys Control and L. So this basically is the normal chat interface that we are getting, where we can just give the context of a file, or directly give our prompts and instructions to generate code. So this is code with agent, and the main feature that AntiGravity comes is with switch to agent manager. So I'll just press the keys Control and E. So we will be getting this separate pop-up, and this is where we give instructions to generate multiple agents with different tasks. So when I tried using the Gemini models over here, I got some quota limit exceeded. So do try it out and let me know in the comments. Do check the playlist of the channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.